Hello to all Fast Messenger audience. Em pe Neetu Chandra, Iprirkinga. My film Adi Bhagwan is just released. It's directed by Amir Sultan and the hero is J.M. Ravi.
How do you feel about yourself after the release of the film Adi Bhagwan?
Well, after the release of the film, I just couldn't believe it. It's still sinking in me that the film was released because it's taken 3 years for the film to release. It feels nice. People have actually given really good reviews of my performance in the film, and especially my action.
What do the fans say about this character?
I went to a lot of theatre visits. And people started screaming my name, Rani, Rani, Rani. First of all, I was very, very surprised, and I was like, Rani. And then they're like, oh, we love Rani. And then I realized that they loved the grey shade of mine, which is also good because that's me too. Again, I like it.
And this film Neetu Chandra, she has done a Billy character where there were some few scenes with the smoking and drinking. What was the comments from the fan side as well as from your colleagues, let's say artist colleagues, and from the cinema scene?
Well, all my fans were very worried, and they said you should not drink, you should not smoke, it's not good for you, this, that. A lot of tweets have come. So on records, I want to say I've been a sports girl since my childhood, and I don't smoke and drink at all. Never. I've never had a spoon of beer also in my life, and never smoked. It's first time in my life that Amir sir taught me how to smoke, and I hate smoking, so I don't like it at all.
In fact, Amir also doesn't smoke, isn't it?
He doesn't smoke at all. But of course, for the character, we needed to smoke and drink. So I was having apple juice all the time instead of actual drinks, and smoking, of course. And I'll tell you, the first time I smoked when Amir sir taught me in Pattaya, I started coughing, and for 3 days I had fever, and my whole throat became sore and dry, and it was hurting actually when I started smoking. Well, as I said that I was smoking and drinking only for this scene and only for Adi Bhagwan. But I would advise everybody not to smoke, drink, because it causes cancer. People die out of it. And the most important thing, and which is very close to me, is I lost my dad because of smoking and drinking 3 years back to cancer. So you should be very careful. And for the role only I did it, and I don't do it anymore.
Hope the film took around 3 years for completion.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you feel the output and the audience feedback about the film, and how are you personally there?
Well, 3 years, yes, it took 3 years, but it's fine because nobody asked a Hollywood director that why it took so much time. 3 years, 5 years, a very basic time which they take and to shoot a film. And I think it's come out very stylish, very Hollywoodish. People have given me reviews like that. I've been waiting for such reviews for years to come by, and now after Adi Bhagwan, even though it's taken 3 years, I'm fine with it, and I'm very happy that it is released finally, and people can see the hard work done by all of us, Amir sir, Ravi, Anthony sir, Sudha Chandran ma'am, Fight Master sir, the choreographers, music, Yuvan sir, everyone has worked really hard. So finally it's showing after 3 years, and in Hindi it says Ant bhala to sab bhala. It means if the end is good, then everything is fine.
Lots of reviews have come, which have appreciated Neetu Chandra, and there would have been some critics there. What was the damaging critic there, and what was the appreciable thing there?
Well, luckily I have not seen anybody saying anything bad about my performance. Like I have been seeing every tweet and every reviews where I wanted to see that if they have said anything bad about me, and if they have, then I would work towards it. But luckily, and I think I'm just blessed that I haven't seen anything which says bad about my reviews, and I have really great reviews. So it's all on Twitter and everywhere and on net. So you can see that, luckily, and I'm happy that they acknowledge my hard work, and finally I'm here.
Was your martial arts training helpful for this film?
Of course, certainly. Of course, my martial art has been a very, very big help. And if I would have not been a martial artist, Ravi would have not given this compliment to me. He said, you are a girl and everything is there, but you fight like a man. which is a great compliment from a guy. And he said, "You fight like a guy," and I'd never felt that I was fighting with an actress in the film, which is a great thing because martial arts has been my soul and my heart, and I've been playing it. I represented India also, was waiting to do something on screen and got a chance to do it. But also, I wanted to promote martial arts through my films, and I am promoting martial arts among girls, especially through Adi Bhagwan. So especially I would like all the girls and the families to go watch Adi Bhagwan for my stunts, because I want all the girls to learn martial arts. And if you get inspired anywhere, you must learn martial arts.
There were few heroines who did action films.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have any plans of doing like that? Full-fledged action film focusing on the heroine-based subjects?
If you see my action in the film, I'm sure a lot of people have seen it, and there are a couple of scripts. There's a one Hollywood production house who wanted to do an action film with me, and I was waiting for Adi Bhagwan to release. So now I'll consider that and I'll work on that film.
Finally, can you let me know what are the projects in your hands?
There are 3 films which are ready to release, and I'm going to talk about them. One international film, it's a Greek-English film. It's called Let Not Americans Know. It's directed by a Greek director. His name is Kyriakos Tofaridis. There are 2 Hindi films which are ready to release. Khusar Prasad Ka Bhoot with Paresh Rawal, directed by Gary Gariwal. And also Shooter, which is directed by Vishram Sawant. To all Fast Messengers audience, thank you so much, Romba Nandri, for seeing me and appreciating me, for all the great reviews. God bless you.